Hey guys, what's up? So I'm back with another video. This time it's a e-commerce website, and for e-commerce websites it's different for several reasons. One is it's a shop basically, and when shoppers land on a website, their expectations are different. So we have to design around those expectations. And today I'm trying to break down Ceylon, which is a brand in Sri Lanka. They have great branding, great designs, as you can see, great photography, great packaging, but I don't think it expands into their website. So hopefully these tips would help uh, improve the experience, right? Starting off, I am starting from the product listing page. So the product listing page is actually a hub for all the products for a specific category. In this case it's skin wellness. And one thing I noticed was it lacked several filters. For example, if I click on the drop down, I have a range of categories over here, but if I click on eye creams, then I am only shown eye creams, and then again it's just a product listing page. So one thing is, when designing a parent category like the skin wellness, it's important to have a heading, right? A heading. Breadcrumbs mean it is a hierarchical based link structure showcasing where you are in the page. So in this case, a breadcrumb would be home slash skin wellness, and if I go into eye creams slash eye creams, so that should be the hierarchical link structure, but it's not here. So imagine if a user lands on this page, how disoriented they would be. There is a possibility for them to land on a page like this because ads they target usually the PLPs, the product listing pages, not the home page or just a landing page. And from the landing page, the user might land on a different category like eye creams or eye serums. And in that case, are we only letting the user purchase eye creams? What if the user wanted to explore more? So in that case, having breadcrumbs is really important. Then another is having categorical filters, right? What I mean is, now these are all under skin wellness, right? But if I go into skin wellness, and if I want to search or filter out just the BB creams or eye creams, I have to actually go into the drop down, click on eye creams. What if we had all of these as filters, right, on the page? So towards the left side or up on this point, we can have ranges, concern, what else, eye care, face care, lip care, and sets. And through those, the users are able to filter them. And also, if they click on something like eye creams, there it will be actually a applied filter. So towards the left, the applied filter will be showed like eye cream. And there are ways that, I mean, there are some ways in development where you can click on the X button next to the eye cream filter and remove all the filters, and you will get exposed to all the products under eye care or under skin wellness, right? So this has to be rethought, because mainly the navigation should be a place for users to understand the scope of the website, like get deep into it, right? And in that case, it's always good to have products, I mean categories, um, within the PLP as well. I mean, I don't think concern is actually should be within the skin wellness drop down. Instead, we can have other ranges, right? And we don't also need to include all of them, because again, the navigation should be a place for users to explore. And to get deeper into all these products, it should be done within the product listing page. And that way users have the freedom. Now, say if someone goes into drop down and see all these products, how overwhelmed would be, how overwhelmed would the user be, like with all these links? It's not easy for them to digest, right? It's we call it cognitive load. So the cognitive load is high because they have to process all these links all these products. So we should make it easier, and we should also trim down the number of products we have. So it should start with the PLP categorization, the product listing page categorization, and making sure a hierarchy is made. Then if we move on to like the home page, so the home page is actually, it has a banner which is an ad, and then we have another section with ads. We have products, we have categories, we have products, call to actions to find the store, reviews, and FAQ. So actually, again, when a user lands on the home page first, the main goal is for them to have a way to access the products and also understand what products the website says. So the navigation which I talked about, and then the hero section. So instead of having ads, it's best for us to showcase what kind of products they have, right? And also the slider should actually pause on Hoover, right? Because the users cannot obviously read something within 3 seconds, you see. So it's better to have that way. uh, I'm not saying we shouldn't include ads, it should be included, but in a subtle way, because whenever the brain sees something related to the ad, it would just shut it out and scroll. That's called banner blindness, by the way. But yeah, that's how it is. And then again, we can have best selling categories as a second section instead of an ad. I know the marketing team is trying to sell this, but still, giving, I mean, in the long run, it's a better way for new users to get exposed to the brand, right? Get to know what stuff they sell, because they sell a lot of products, and I bet users wouldn't know what most of these products are. So it's best for us to have a good category system, number one, and then a page that promotes those, right? So yeah, having this in the second section is a great idea, because maybe around 50% of the users who land on the homepage would scroll down to this part, right? So yeah, we are missing out. And then also having brand attributes, brand qualities in the homepage is also great, because um, it helps users identify and connect with the brand, right? So if you talk more about the products, the ethics, uh, and also the story, that would resonate with some e-commerce shoppers, because e-commerce shoppers, they come with this mindset of understanding the brand mostly. And if you can address those with your brand, that would be great, right? um, yeah, then if we go into a product, right? Now the product card, it has the prices. I would also recommend having, yeah, I don't think they have any variations, so that's fine. Okay, this is great, good to know. Customer reviews are great, but what are the other product details, right? Again, how is this made, what does it have? uh, I mean, it's vegetarian, paraffin free, cruelty free, sulfate free, paraffin free, non toxic, right? Now, again, these are not visible for a normal eye, it's very small. So, you might need to add product descriptions on why these are, uh, why the product, I mean, you might need to add stuff, add product description on how this is made, how it can be used, again, because I am someone who is not using face wash, and how can I use it, what are the benefits, and what are the shipping details, what are the delivery details, right? Those are information that should be included in the product page, which is not seen over here. Obviously they have a big following in social media, so my guess is they are funneling them into these pages, but they can improve the experience by a lot if they try to stick with these simple rules that I said. And yeah, good luck to them. If you guys have any questions, please do let me know. And if you guys want me to audit a website, sorry, not edit, audit a website, whether it's e-commerce or a normal B2B website or a product, let me know in the comments. Until then, talk soon. Thanks.